name's got a dog in it?
Current time is 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. at the Tulsa International Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 96, dew point 73, relative humidity 47%, producing a heat index of 105. The wind was southeast and the pressure was 29.90 inches and falling. Around Oklahoma this hour. In Oklahoma City, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 95. In Bartlesville, thunder was reported with a temperature of 78. In McAllister, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 98. In Ponca City, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 87. At the Sand Springs Airport, it was fair with a temperature of 98. At the Jenks Riverside Airport, it was sunny with a temperature of 96. In Tahlequah, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 91. In Muskogee, it was sunny with a temperature of 95. Around the region, in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 98. In Kansas City, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 87. In Joplin, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 85. In Springfield, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 80. In Wichita, it was cloudy with a temperature of 78. In Fort Smith, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 93. And in Fayetteville, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 89. Once again, at Bartlesville, thunder was reported with a temperature of 78. It was sunny with a temperature of 96 at Jenks Riverside Airport and 95 at Muskogee. At Tulsa International Airport, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 96. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, east central Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ramona, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh, through the window already.
In or near the
Seen the way down way.
Tulsa, Towasso, Skytook, Collinsville, Sperry, Billigama, Ramona, Oshaleta, Avant, Vera, Turley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 5:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. at the Tulsa International Airport, it was most...
Come on, Blonde. It's taking around.
Alright, you blow it away. Alright, you get it.
I hear a call, Mom.
It was mostly sunny.
Well, I bet my can's too heavy for the wind. Hey, Mom. Find the heat's cooling down. Hey, Mom. Let's only go up to tornado warnings. There's only go up to tornado warnings. That's why. If there's a tornado, it will go on my red radio, and the Tulsa County moves and mails are after the whole 157 sounds around Tulsa.
It was sunny.